This video will show you how to change a laser touch gun top. The tools first of all, you'll need a replacement laser touch gun top, a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutters, fine wire cutters, 4 Scotch lock connectors, the two-way Scotch locks. They're the orange things in the video that you can see, and a tool for making Scotch lock connections. We highly recommend you use the tool made for making Scotch lock connections. Otherwise you'll probably have intermittent connections, and that will not help you get the job done for your customer. So to begin with, we're going to take the first thing we're going to do is remove power. We have power on the unit, and now power's gone. That's step one. The next thing we're going to do is remove the screw inside the, and you can see there it is, right inside the diffuser block. There's a Phillips head screw, and we're going to take that Phillips head screwdriver and remove that screw. It takes a few turns. Okay, got the screw. It's not removed, but it's loosened. Then the collar nut comes off at the base of the unit. Then the unit comes apart. As you can see, it's held together with 4 Scotch lock connections. We'll cut those off as we have power removed, so it's safe to do. Cut them as close as possible to the Scotch lock, leaving yourself as much wire as possible to work with. Okay, the old one is out. There's a couple more Scotch locks to remove. There they go. Now the new one will come in. Line up 2 of the wires together. In this case, Sarah's got the 2 black wires together, and then that goes into the Scotch lock. You're looking at the bottom of the Scotch lock, so you can see that the wires are inserted fully, and they are. And then with the Scotch lock tool, you make a crimp. Do that with the other 3 wires. The other 3 wire colors, put the 2 reds together. Okay, now all 4 wire colors have been Scotch locked together, and now we'll just reassemble the gun top. Make sure that those are fit in the bottom, in the area, in the void area. There they are, and put them back on. Make sure the wires are pushed in all the way. They're not pinched when the collar nut is put back on. There's a hole in the flex tube, and there's a pin in the bottom plastic piece for the gun, and those need to be aligned. And once they are, and the top is on, then the collar nut can come back up, and that can be threaded back on, and the Phillips head screw is put back in place, securing the new Laser Touch Gun top in place. And then we power it back up. So it's going to power it up. There we go. And there we are. Voila. We've got a new gun top. Are we done? Nope. We have to address it. The gun we took out was at address D as in David. And so this one will be set to address D as in David. And Sarah's doing that at the computer using the Infinity software. We're going to send the addressing command, press the bar, and it has the correct address. We're still not done. One more thing to do. We need to run a clear and restore memory so that this Laser Touch Gun top is programmed to operate exactly the same as the one that was taken out. That's it. That's how you replace a Laser Touch Gun top.